Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix my balance not showing on Coinbase. First of all, you can open the Coinbase wallet application. I can already open the Coinbase. After opening the Coinbase, you can just simply check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, the issue is maybe your internet connection, and after the internet connection is stable, the balance is shown into your Coinbase wallet. And after this, the issue is not solved, you can just simply update the Coinbase wallet in your app store or play store. And after updating, you can just simply restart your device, and after restarting, you can just again open the app, and after this you can show balance in Coinbase wallet. And it is a way you can fix balance not showing on Coinbase wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.